Alright, we're there. We're not that far. Okay. We can get to a beach. It feels like we should go this way.
That's an old motorbike.
Yes. There's an old town, huh? Wow, this is nice. You okay?
This is fun.
Fun, yeah, good. Good. Just careful of these bumpy lanes in your flip-flops. Don't run, man.
Let me throw this shell.
I think I heard the sea.
I hear it.
Yeah, exactly. We're near. You go, please. Just don't run. You'll trip up here in those flip-flops. I've said 5 times, please. No more running. This is the harbour. It's not the beach yet. I think it's the harbour. Wow. This ain't the proper beach. Isn't the proper beach, should I say? Wow. Look at this. This is beautiful. Unless it is the beach.
Oh my god, it's a puppy.
Looks like a pirate boat. Pirate ship. Well, we definitely can't swim in this one, boy. Yeah, just keep watching where you walk. I better walk, look where I'm going to.
Come here.
No, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, go ahead. I'm fine. Oh, alright, thank you. I'm alright. Pretty here, I like it. Wow. Oh! Oh no! You see puddle there. Oh dear. That's great. Great. Great, great, great. I've got a wet foot now. Great. Muddy water shoe.
Papa, that
Yeah.
looks like a pirate.
It does? Yeah. Oh, better not get deeper.
Oh my.
What's it? Look at this Jeep. What's he doing? Oh, he's stopping there. Oh, I thought that was a mouse, that fur blow. It doesn't matter. Let's go this way. Here you go. Stop doing the noise. There's a nice dog. Yeah. Oh, we're getting a paddle at least, huh? You got a beach. This is okay for a beach for now. Yeah? Is this good? Yeah?